So do all those different stages, does that affect the durability, like the life expectancy of the powder?
Yeah, so hell yeah. So 7 stages, your prep in aluminum products. The preparation is your #1 rule. The better the material will be prepped, the better the powder coat will attach to. So what does that mean? When you prep the aluminum, it's ready to take that powder and literally suck it into the aluminum without any surface malfunctions. Now, what that's gonna do in the long run, that's gonna make sure your powder coating doesn't fade, right? So that's a trick. So I don't care if the vendor is gonna do powder coating anyway, Ronnie. Yes, but what kind of stages does he do that it allows that powder to attach? Most powder coating brands won't even give you the warranty if your prep is not right. Because you can take a metal gate and powder coat the same powder coat we do, and it'll fade within like a year, or it'll chip out. And then what, you're gonna go to that powder coating, hey listen, I got fading, I got your brand on my product, give me my money back or fix it. No, 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 no. We need to see proof. What's your stages look like? So look at it like this, a rim of a car wasn't just a single stage process. They'll last on your cars, they get beaten, they got chip, rocks on it, and they still look pretty good after years. So they take those 7 stage real serious. And that's gonna help you with fading, long run, chipping, which you should not have any chipping when you do our system because we don't weld the pieces. We powder coat first and then we do engineering extrusions that plug and play together in the right way.